This video will discuss the requirements of notification and exceptions according to the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment, Regulation 8, Part B. It is required that a 10-day notification be provided to the state prior to beginning an asbestos abatement greater than the trigger levels or demolition of a facility or portion of the facility. This is done by completing a form provided by the state and submitting it along with the required fees. The state has allowed for a few exceptions to the 10-day notification requirement. They are a 10-day waiver for emergencies, for unexpected discovery, for demolition following an abatement, and for single-family residential dwellings only, a 10-day waiver for compelling circumstances. According to the Regulation 8, an emergency is an unexpected situation or sudden occurrence of a serious and urgent nature that demands immediate action and that constitutes a threat to life, health, or that may cause major damage to a property. Demolition projects are emergencies only if the facility has been declared an imminent danger of collapse by a governmental entity. An unexpected discovery happens after the renovation or demolition has started and asbestos-containing material, or ACM, is found in an area that was not previously accessible. This could be behind a wall, above a ceiling, beneath a floor, etc. Having not completed a thorough inspection prior to the renovation or demolition is not an unexpected discovery. To request this waiver, the general abatement contractor or homeowner needs to submit a completed 10-day waiver form to the department by the end of the next business day following the discovery of the ACM. Demolition following an abatement. The state may allow a waiver of the 10-day waiting period if the abatement project already completed a 10-day waiting period prior to the start of the abatement, all the regulated ACM has been removed, and the division receives the waiver request within 10 days of the abatement completion date. Compelling circumstances. Again, this is only for single-family residential dwellings. The homeowner is required to provide documentation of the compelling circumstance that causes the 10-day waiting period to be overly burdensome. Then, the department may allow for a waiver. Aside from these exceptions discussed in this video, the 10-day notification is required prior to beginning the abatement or demolition project. There are some other exceptions that are allowed for single-family residential dwellings that will be discussed in the next video. Call White Hat Services for all your asbestos testing and consulting needs.